Welcome back to Living 808. Along with highlighting all the fun we have around the state, we also highlighting need, and we have one. The Hawaii Food Bank seeing a spike in need for help with food due to the pandemic.
And now you have a chance to give back with a simple donation.
Hunger in Hawaii is a real thing. So how has the pandemic played a part? We have a chance to spend a few minutes now talking with Danny Schlag of the Hawaii Food Bank. And thank you so much for joining us on Living 808.
Thank you.
Let's talk about this. You know, I know there are times during the year where you put out the call. How would you assess the food supply and the impact of the pandemic?
Prior to the pandemic, actually food insecurity levels here in Hawaii were some of the lowest they've been in probably about 20 years. Yet in that time, still about 1 out of every 8 people was struggling with food insecurity. So what that meant was their household didn't have enough food to provide for a healthy, active life. But since the pandemic, you know, it's really changed the face of hunger even more so. So now about 1 out of every 6 people are struggling with hunger. That comes out to more than 250,000 Hawaii residents. You know, and with that, it's, you know, out of work parents, you know, a rising number of vulnerable, isolated kupuna, and now 1 out of every 3 children, keiki in Hawaii, now struggling with hunger. So what that's meant was we've had to really increase our efforts to get food out of our warehouses quickly and as soon as possible. Fortunately, we're at a pretty stable supply of food right now, but it could change, you know, in a matter of days, depending on what happens, you know, with the needs of the community. As we've seen, you know, it changes as quickly as you can imagine with the, you know, hardships and constraints brought on by the pandemic.
What would you say are some of your biggest challenges in trying to meet the needs of the public right now?
So, you know, once COVID-19 arrived in Hawaii, really it changed a lot of things. And so with, you know, our economy, it's so dependent here on tourism, you know, we were seeing more and more people actually need help for the first time in their lives. So, you know, in addition to that 1 in 8, we also now had everyone who was impacted by the pandemic now in need of food assistance. So probably our largest challenge we saw as an organization was meeting the increased need of all those people, families, you know, folks impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic, while still making sure we were maintaining support to all those people who were already struggling with hunger. Kind of balancing that supply for food was our major challenge as an organization. Unfortunately, what happened when the pandemic started, we saw a dip in physical food donations. You know, we weren't able to get as many donations from the big retailers as, you know, a lot of people were purchasing more food to keep at home. And then with all the stay-at-home orders and safety measures, we actually, a lot of folks, you know, they didn't feel comfortable donating physical food at that time as we were still figuring out so many things with the pandemic. And so in order to maintain that flow of food, we actually had to start purchasing food like never before. So since mid-March, we've actually purchased, you know, nearly $12 million worth of emergency food to get out to the public. And, you know, just to compare, our normal annual budget for purchasing food is only about $400,000. So that just kind of provides some insight into the level of purchasing we've had to do and able to keep the food flowing. That model wasn't sustainable forever. And so we had to start creating partnerships with community organizations. We've gotten a lot of support from other nonprofits, you know, the city, the state, and then we've been able to develop new relationships with organizations in order to get local food out to folks in need. So we've been able to establish partnerships with organizations like the Hawaii Farm Bureau, which was really a great benefit to us, but then also our farmers. So we were able to purchase food locally, lots of healthy local produce, and then get that out immediately to people in need. Between all that, we've been able to keep the food flowing.
And I know our Living 808 Ohana and KHON2 have huge hearts. What's the best way that they can help support Hawaii Food Bank and people who might be going hungry?
Really 3 easy ways people can help is 1, make a donation, so monetary donations. And then also we want people to know that physical food donations are indeed safe. And then the monetary donations help us, you know, keep our programs going, purchase food, but then also plan for long-term sustainability in the future. And then folks can always volunteer with us is another great way to help. One thing folks can do is help keep that conversation alive. Just something as simple as following us on social media, posting about the issue. It really goes a long way in supporting those in need.
Well, we thank you and everything the volunteers and all the generous donors have done for Hawaii Food Bank and what you do for the community. Thank you for coming on Living in a Wait and telling us more about how you've been able to step up at this time.
Thank you so much. Mahalo.
Great work done by the Hawaii Food Bank, and I want to give a shout out to our partner C.S. Woe & Sons, because they actually donated time for the segment so we could highlight Hawaii Food Bank. You know, they do our wonderful set here and do so much, but that wasn't enough that they wanted us to tell people how they can help. They also made a monetary donation of $25,000 to the food bank. So thank you to C.S. Woe & Sons for everything that you do.
Walking the walk.
Yes. Attitude of gratitude, pitching in. Everyone needs it right now, and the food bank definitely is feeling that gap where people are having a tough time just getting basic essentials at the food bank.
That's good stuff.
We'll post the info on how you can help and the most wanted items there. Now from Hawaii to